driver. And it's all, and then you show up, I go. I'm going to show up, part two. I'm going to show up, I didn't show up.
YouTube. Feeding the homeless. Yeah.
Driver, go over there. Come on.
Driver, don't stop at all.
You're talking about motion. I go to my hello motor. Yes, ma'am, you go to move back. Hello motor. I say what?
Sorry.
Okay. Hello motor.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision.
Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go.
When you're talking about iron, you can't eat your food that you cook every day. Ringo, show them a banana.
Alright, the banana now boiled inside with the skin.
Alright, so you see there?
So let me get
The pumpkin, the banana with the skin, see there?
see banana skin here. See
no
there?
food give the amount of iron what this here in your pot. So right now, you can't say the woman them say them lacking the iron and them not get no iron and see there.
What about the coconut?
See the so when we talk about now, not for the especially the female because of them cycle issue, them go through that little iron problem there.
Right.
When you're talking about iron, you can't eat your food that you cook every day. Ringo, show them a banana.
Alright, the banana now boiled inside with the skin.
Alright, so you see there?
So let me get
The pumpkin, the banana with the skin, see there?
see banana skin here. See
no
there?
food give the amount of iron what this here in your pot. So right now, you can't say the woman them say them lacking the iron and them not get no iron and see there.
What about the coconut?
See the coconut there. So much vitamins in it and the essential oils, omega 3, 6 and 9, everything in it.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam, see him there? Yeah? Pumpkin, look at the color, immaculate.
So what about the turmeric
The turmeric now.
and the ginger?
Any mucus, joint pain, back pain, arthritis pain, liver problem, turmeric, ginger, cayenne, see everything in the pot. Let your food be your medicine,
And your
medicine be your
food. See there? Everything in it, you know.
everything is there. And you can guess what now? No eye, no teeth, no tongue, no more, no me, no more. Ital is vital, health is wealth. And look for this Ital coming soon. Sit down. Rastafari.
It's still alright because they
Rastafari.
What's actually happening now? We're actually just traveling around through the town. We're in the market on Electric Avenue now, just giving back the food to the local community and especially the homeless, everyone. Yeah, that is it. Our good vibes. The marathon continues.
And it's all, and then you show up, I go. I'm going to show up, part two. I'm going to show up, I didn't show up.
YouTube. Feeding the homeless. Yeah.
Driver, go over there. Come on.
Driver, don't stop at all.
You're talking about motion. I go to my hello Okay. Hello.
Yes, everybody. So we're out here. We're in Brixton, and today's a different day because we're going around the town, and we want to show you what is really happening here in Brixton, on the streets of London. Look, we're not really going to try to get too personal into people's faces and their personal. You understand? Yeah. But as you can see, look, this is right outside. We're Brixton Station here, and there's someone here sleeping homeless. You understand? So we're gonna travel around the streets and see how many homeless people are here. Someone's been sleeping there as well. You understand? So let's travel the streets of Brixton, people. Yeah, are good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. If you haven't yet started to follow the movement, you understand? You know what to do, people. Yeah, hit that button. Share this amongst friends and family. Let's spread the awareness. You understand? That is it. Where we were right here, Brixton Station. Outside.
Alright, good vibes, my bro. It's nice. The weather's nice today as well. Come down to Brixton, it's nice and sunny. I walked up to Electric Avenue earlier to get electrified.
Electrified?
Yeah, fam. Charged up quickly, you get me? But yeah, man, we're just going to take a walk.
So, friend, do you think that's someone that will be feeding as well, this lady here?
Yeah. Hello, how are you?
That was for oyster that you
Don't you know? If I did, I would be able to give it to you.
Yes. I'm going to be out in Brixton in a few days, cooking and feeding and giving the homeless some food.
What day? Around there?
Yeah, around there.
9 o'clock time.
In the market.
In the night?
In the daytime.
Oh, I'll bring some donations. I get paid on Monday, so I give you some donations. So you know when you go down on Tuesday in the day, you pass something anyway.
Okay. So basically what I'm trying to do here is trying to build an awareness of all the people that's homeless in Brixton and what's actually going on.
There's a lot of them. They usually turn up at 9 in the night.
Yeah.
With the homeless. Sometimes,
but where do they stay in the daytime?
Well, they go in hospitals and move around, but sometimes some of them sleep in the street, in Liverpool Street, and
but where could I go now in Brixton to see that?
You know down Cold Harbour Lane, the Domino Club, there's a food place where they go and sit, there.
Thank you.
I'll go Cambria Road.
Cambria Road?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Anyone got an old oyster?
No.
Sorry,
40p?
40p?
Yeah.
I've got 40p.
But listen, I'll give you a donation on Tuesday when you give out food.
We're all right.
Did somebody give out some toothpaste sets that I gave them at school? Because I get paid Monday night. Alright? So I put, they tell me to come out. You know what you do?
Don't worry, have a good day, yeah?
See you later,
Yeah.
Bye.
Alright, as you can see, we're outside, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Welcome to Brixton. Welcome to Brixton. Look, it's not even a joke. Look, right behind me here, just right there. You know what I mean? And as I'm trying to say, once again, Fend, as I'm trying to say to people right now, that there's a lot happening. There's a next gentleman right here. You can see that that's where he's sleeping. He's sleeping here on the sidewalk, people. Yeah. All right. We wanna come down here in a few days, come back, and we wanna try and help as much homeless people as we can here in Brixton. You understand, people? Yeah. Are good vibes. So where I am in Brixton right now, this used to be an iconic spot where everybody used to come and buy their trainers, Foot Locker.
Yeah, that's what I was saying to you. Yeah. That's what I was saying. Ringo, look. This used to be the Foot Locker, innit? Right here. Was it here, yeah?
Right here.
And the corner was Argos, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. And this here used to be a notorious shop.
And then what we're trying to do right now is build awareness for people that are in Brixton, that are living rough, sleeping rough, homeless, no food, no shelter. You understand, people? Yeah, you've got this gentleman out here. He's probably got a big issue that he's trying to get money every day. You understand? Yeah. All right, good vibes.
Say, Ringo.
So I'm right here on Atlantic Road, yeah?
Yes.
And this is like a main part of Brixton where it's got an overground train station.
That's right.
That leads you to places like Bromley, Victoria,
Penge.
So you can come right here in Brixton as well. And it's quite easy to get to. There's a lot of essential travelling routes here in Brixton. We've got the underground route, which just was. As you can see right there, look up there, we've got the train station as well, everybody, yeah? A good vibe. So we're just going to continue to walk through the streets of Brixton.
That's it. Our good vibes.
What's your perception on Brixton, though?
My perception on Brixton is it's got a good history to it, like a long history when it comes to, even with the Brixton riots back in the days when there was a lot of brutality with the police. Also now, Brixton has changed a lot. It's more of a place where it's
You
more
can do
friendly.
things like this. Look, you can do things like this. You can come and get a little.
Yeah, like bougie bars, you know what I mean? It's environmentally friendly, like you could say it's gentrified, you know what I mean? So as much as it's got the old Brixton, we've got the new Brixton now. So yeah, man, my thoughts on Brixton's a lovely place though, and obviously it's home to me as well.
Would you recommend people to travel down there?
Yeah, if they want to go for a night out, most definitely you can come down to. You got the Brixton Village, you got Brixton Pop-Up as well. There's loads of trendy bars down here. So yeah, most definitely, the nightlife in Brixton now is changed.
It's kind of bougie, isn't it?
It's a bit bougie-ish now. It's like a Shoreditch.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? There.
Yeah. All right.
So,
So,
yeah, man.
as you can see, people, yeah, we're right here, Atlantic Road. This is the arches there that takes you straight through to the train station through there. A good vibe. Yeah, Rasta.
It's at the arcade there back in the days as well.
Yeah,
Remember the burger van.
Remember the arcade?
And then they had a van, what's it called? Van stores here with like Jamaican food and that. There's none no more. All here was full of vans of Jamaican
Bare stools.
Yeah, bare stools and that.
Brixton people, that is it. We're right here, Atlantic Road, our good vibes. As we'll touch through the market, Electric Avenue in a little while. This is where we was initially the other day, and we're gonna pass back through there in a little while, people, yeah? And then we've got Pope's Road. You know about this?
Yeah. This is the back of where Sports Direct is. The market still used to continue to get your string vests. They still got the string vest part as well. You get your string vest back in the day. Imagine they had one of these string vest packets, you know?
Don't lie.
Yeah, they didn't get no copyright for it. They had his face on there.
See that? Alright, so look, like I said, Brixton's also multicultural. Today's what we're building is awareness of certain lifestyle that Brixton has that people don't really know about it, and it's the homeless community. You understand, people? Yeah. Alright, right through here we've got Brixton Village as well. Yeah, we'll pop back through to Brixton Village in a second. We're gonna go around to Atlanta, where the recreation centre is.
That's right.
Yeah.
Back to the rec.
And as you can see, there's a lot of food vending places, shops, offering a variation of different type of foods. You understand? Our good vibes. That is it. How we are teaching people them today, say?
Well, we go on long time, no see.
Our good vibes.
Yeah, man. We're teaching about the sour sap.
Yeah.
Sour sap with sea moss right here, so.
Yes.
Spirulina and sea moss. Berries and sea moss.
That is it.
Mango, papaya, pineapple and sea moss.
What days are you here in Brixton? What days?
Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday sometimes.
And what's your opening times?
The opening time, we open from about 9:30, we close at about 7:30.
Okay.
That is it, people. Yeah, come check her out. She's there
Come check out, right here.
Pope's Road. She have
Pope's
a camera and a thing as well.
Yeah, man. And everything freshly made down here.
Alright.
No chemical, no preservatives, no additives.
You take off your mask, man.
Come on,
And
man.
free up yourself.
No, listen.
Be free, man.
In due
She
time.
lovely for you.
All right.
Yeah, in due time, alright?
Alright, well done,
Because
yeah.
there's your respect.
Yeah?
Alright.
Herbs and bush and all types of plants. You know, we are going to bring your body back around. See it right here, so. Right around here, so on Pope's Road, people, yeah.
Ringo. A jack in a box, a jack in a bush.
Jack in a bush. We have whole heap of bush around here, so people, yeah. So, alright, let me just spin the camera around and show you some of the bushes that they're providing here in Brixton, Pope Road. You understand our good vibes? Yes, mommy, alright? So this is some spirulina around this, I go and sort out, said we're good vibes. So I've been in Pop Brixton a couple times now, and eating food in there, you know.
See.
Yeah. So it's got a little variety of little stools, different
like
restaurants. Yeah.
It's like a box park, basically. Like they've got box park in Croydon.
Yes.
Box park in Shoreditch.
No, Ringo.
Brixton
Pop Brixton.
Yeah, Pop Brixton.
A good vibes.
You know, walk through there quickly.
Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission.
You know what I mean? Look at the different type of bars, vendors here.
The tapas bars and all that.
Tapas bars, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Release
It's quiet here in the day because obviously people are at work.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's not
But people come out here
in the evening after work.
and lunchtime as well.
Lunchtime, weekends as well.
Come order their things. What kind of food do you do, sir? Excuse me. Alright, he's focused. Yeah. Jollof House Kitchen. Big up Jollof House Kitchen.
Yes. Big up my brother.
Yeah. We're there, you know. So how you deal with the jollof rice? How it work?
How it work?
Yeah.
All the meals in black are jollof meals. Like you see on the menu, all the ones with black, they are the jollof meals. So you have the grilled chicken, the grilled sea bass, steak, fried chicken. You just choose what you want to come with your jollof.
Alright, good vibes. So do you sell jollof by itself?
Yeah, that's the one, just jollof.
Where?
On the black. You see the one on the far right corner, bottom right.
Okay, just jollof.
Just jollof, yeah, that's jollof on its own.
That's it. So you can come here and just get the jollof people, yeah? Pop Brixton. Good vibes. So yeah, if you come on a lunch break and you're here in Brixton, you just want to have a little relaxed moment, that is it. Pop Brixton is one of the places where you can just come in and just kind of come out, chill out. You understand? They got the Thai food. Yeah, say nothing. The Thai kitchen. Thai kitchen around there. Big up yourself. Yep, good vibes.
All right, yeah.
And come go upstairs quickly. Yeah. They got the little seats in that upstairs. All right, people. So we're upstairs right now. Just a look, walk through. Look, as you can see, look, people are coming down here and they're getting their lunches. Look, 1 second. Jollof House Kitchen. Alright, so Jollof House Kitchen Brixton are good vibes. Come and check them out. Grilled chicken, fried chicken, steak, grilled sea bass. You understand? Okra, plantain, and just jollof by itself. You understand, people? Yeah, the variety is here, the kitchen is here. You understand? We're right here in Pop Brixton, people. Yeah, we're gonna try the food on the camera for you guys. That is it. So what's happening right now? So we've got some grilled chicken, we've got some jollof, we've got some steamed cabbage, some red chili peppers there, people, yeah. And then we've got the array of different type of sauces. Ben, I think it's time for us to tuck in.
Tuck in, innit?
Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
So it's like a wow, like a grilled chicken with like a sorbet sauce on it, people. Like a sauce, kind of soft, not too chilly, but a good vibes. Fend, tuck in. Try that chicken.
Try the chicken, yeah. Cool. Can't lie, it looks nice though. I'm gonna try the chicken with this pepper thing. Alright, look at this, people. You know I love food as well. So it tastes like it was roasted, yeah.
Like grilled, basically.
Yeah, grilled. And the chicken's it's soft and crispy at the same time. And I can't lie, it's got a lovely flavour to it. It tastes nice.
Oh. Cabbage, Try that cabbage.
I want to try some of the sauce.
Cabbage got a different taste.
Is it?
Yeah. So the cabbage got a mix of blend of like different spices going on.
I'm trying the sauce. It looks like an okra sauce. It is an okra sauce. And the cabbage.
A good vibes.
Good vibe. They don't put Maggi inside because Maggie's got gluten and it's gluten free.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's hence why they asked. They said that you can use the Maggi for the rice if you want.
Alright, a good vibes. Yo. Once again. So yes, people in Brixton, fishmongers. Right here in Brixton, you have a barber shop. You can just pull up. You understand, people? Where barber shop name?
Welcome to Pro Cuts now.
Pro Cuts.
Yeah.
All right, a good vibes, people. So look, the barber shop's in the van.
Number, man. Get the number too.
You come vlogging it.
Get the number, man.
Keep talking number now.
079
Yeah.
515 67829. Call them be right there for Pro Cuts.
Pro Cuts. You hear that, people? A good vibes.
Get your money.
All right, so I just finish so you can get your wrist with them and all them can £1, 50 pence. Yeah. All right, people. So we just walking at the village. Big man, what go on? We say a perfume. Tell me what go on. Cause we're just doing a little vlog quickly. Just tell us what's happening and what you're providing for the Brixton community, please.
He's like a scientist.
He's a scientist. Okay. I see you got some.
Are they animal testing free, yeah?
All free.
So
fed apples that we've extracted. That's the end result.
Okay.
Oh, that smells nice.
So we can literally make anything.
That smells like a air freshener. Yeah.
All right, big man, big up yourself. So the general is here. He's making perfumes and he's doing extractions from fruits and vegetables, right? So if I want a yam perfume, a yellow yam perfume, that is it, you know.
So we can bring it to you and you can just make it for us. Wow.
I must come and see you.
We're gonna come check you still.
Yeah? Thank you very much, yeah?
Have a good day, yeah? See you later, my boy, yeah? Blessings.
All right, Brixton Village, you know. You see that? A good vibes. I've got them man here ready, Fend. Wagwan. I'm good. Just right here, welcome to Brixton. Merch.
Welcome to Brixton Streetwear.
Look, let's get inside.
Who runs the shop?
Let's get inside. Brixton Streetwear. That is it, people, yeah? Come and check them out right here down at Brixton. A good vibes.
I don't want them one. I want one more on the coffee. I can open it up. Wow, nice shot. Very shot. Oh, that's it.
People, you know, so I just had to leave Brixton, you know, and I'm just traveling, I'm going to different areas, just checking. This is where I go on. We're in Streatham High Street, and as you can see, you understand? A lot of things are going out here in London, people, yeah? We're on Streatham High Street, and yeah man, we're just traveling around. Our good vibes. Everyone, so time kind of run out on us. you understand, checking out and just venturing around looking for different homeless people in Brixton. We just passed through Streatham quickly. Now we're in Barnes Bridge.
Barnes Bridge, we're gonna go on to the Table Time podcast.
Alright, so check out Ringo Vision on the Table Time podcast, people, yeah. I'm out right now. A good vibes, yeah. Make sure you go and check out Fend on this channel, people, yeah. A good vibes. I like them. This is where the night has brought us back. As you can see that we're back in the hometown of Croydon and the homelessness doesn't stop. You understand, there's people out here on the streets late at night. We're gonna be back out on the streets again tomorrow, cooking food. You understand, providing food, everybody. Our good vibes. You understand, 24-hour kitchen. We're just out today and I'm just showing you different places, different areas. You understand? Especially Brixton, because we wanted to go back to Brixton again. And now we're back in Croydon, so one love to each and every one of you. You understand? Our good vibes. I might show a few more clippings before we lock off, but until then, good vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself.